Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fix DNS probe finished domain on Google Chrome. Click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Change Adapter Options. Right-click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Click Use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8888. Type 8844. Click OK. Check Internet. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.